Stage-based quoting is highly recommended for any medium, large, or extra-large projects. To provide a stage-based quote, click on Quote Now and enable advanced quoting. Enter your stages as line items. Line items can be stages like demolition, material drop-off, framing, etc. Be sure to name the item, price it, and add quantity as well as other information about the item. It is also Bidmii's recommendation that you complete a site visit before quoting on these projects. Describe the stages of work and outline the payout schedule. Bidmii recommends that you choose the option to receive payment in multiple stages corresponding to each line item previously chosen. Name each payout stage, choose the percentage of total funds you'd like to receive for this stage, estimated completion time frame, a detailed description of the work taking place, as well as contingency if needed. Once all stages are entered, review the distribution once again. Add bid expiration date, your HST number, and a note to the homeowner. Review final details, review quote PDF, and click on Submit to send. Your quote is now sent to your client.